Nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today something very quickly and super nice. We're going to make a steak sandwich. Very nice and fast. I'll show you what I need for this steak sandwich. I'm gonna make this steak sandwich with ribeye steak. You can use any steak you like. Ask your butcher to cut very thin because we have to cook very fast. I use some gherkins, bread, but I'm gonna put the egg on the top, some salad, rocket I love, onion, Parmesan, salt and pepper, and I'm gonna make one sauce. I'm gonna mix all these four sauces. It's mayonnaise, ketchup, sweet chili, and a little bit, some drops of Tabasco, okay? First thing we can do is seasoning the meat. The pot is already on, the pan is already on the gas. Nice amount of salt and pepper, always. Oh, look at that. This is the first step is done. Now the very important thing is cut some onion because we're gonna put all together, onion and meat. Cut thin because we're gonna cook quickly, okay? Thin you can. I'm gonna make 2 sandwiches in the end. Almost we're done. If you like, chop a couple times like that. Okay, this job is done. If you need more onion, I think I'm gonna need a little bit more because I like with a nice amount of onion, okay? The egg I can move before I break it. Okay guys, in the pot, in the pan, just a little bit of olive oil and the steak inside. One. That's it. I do first one sandwich and later I do another one. Onion inside, just like that. Some rosemary. And this guy is gonna cook, is very thin, at least 1.5 to 2 minutes per side. It's done, job done, okay? When it's ready, when I turn it, I show you the next, okay? Guys, the 2 minutes is gone. I put some the ciabatta bread in the oven because I like a little bit warm in the oven. If you don't like, don't put. In this case now, we add some butter. We turn it. Look at that. Oh. Now another minute and a half is done, and we're gonna cook the egg. In this time, you can slice the gherkins. Okay. Check again your meat. This basically, guys, another 30 seconds and I'm gonna show you the next step, okay? Guys, the job is done. Now what you're gonna do, fire leave on because we need again these 2 steaks. Now leave in the plate, they're gonna rest a little bit. The onion put on the top like this. Oh, look at that, fantastic. Take the Parmesan. I like Parmesan, but you can use any cheese you like. You're gonna melt a little bit now. Okay, leave the steak like that. And now we add again a little touch of olive oil. We wait 10 seconds and we put the egg inside. Okay? The time the eggs cooking, we're gonna build the sandwich later, okay? I'm gonna show you the way I cook this. Now, 30 seconds from this side and 30 seconds from the other side, okay? I'll show you later the next. Okay guys, when it's like that, just move it like that. And now, the time the egg cook, we do the sauce is mayo, ketchup, sweet chili, sorry guys, and some Tabasco just a little bit. Okay, mix everything like this, and this is the sauce gonna be in the bread, okay? The egg is almost done. I turn it off. And now I wait 1 minute for the bread, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna build this beautiful, a super nice steak sandwich. And guys, always, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, check our website cookingwithanitalia.com. See you in 30 seconds. Okay guys, the bread is nice. Oh, look at that, and crispy. Now the sauce like this. And then later we can put a little bit more. Now a nice steak, super nice. Look at that, just like that. If you like, take some more this Parmesan. Look, now we add some Gherkins, some rocket. I can wait for this. If you like, you can add mustard, anything you like. Guys, the Piero steak sandwich, oh look there, is this. Beautiful. Very nice. I have to try, guys. Guys, I forgot the egg. Look there. No. Sorry guys. And the egg on the top. Oh, look at that. Now again. I was in shock. I'm sorry guys. But guys, it's absolutely wow. My steak sandwich with eggs is this, guys. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.